Welcome to Healthy Living Now. Welcome to Healthy Living Now. Today, we invite you into a gentle and peaceful look at how your baby develops inside the womb, week by week. This guide is designed to help you feel informed, calm, and connected throughout your pregnancy journey. Let's begin. Weeks 1 to 4. Early beginnings. Pregnancy officially begins before conception. Doctors count from the first day of your last menstrual period. These first weeks build the foundation for everything that follows. In week 3, conception occurs. A single sperm meets the egg, creating a tiny cell called a zygote. This one cell already carries all the information that makes your baby unique. Their eye color, their hair color, and so many of their natural traits. As the days pass, this new life travels toward the uterus, dividing and growing. In week 4, the tiny cluster of cells gently settles into the lining of the uterus. This moment is called implantation. It marks the true beginning of pregnancy. Weeks 5 to 8. The embryo develops. During these early weeks, the baby is known as an embryo. This is a time of incredible transformation. Week 5 brings the beginning of the heart, the brain, and the spinal cord. For many people, this is when a missed period leads to the first pregnancy test. By week 6, the tiny heart begins to beat. Little buds appear where arms and legs will grow. The start of facial features begins to form. In week 7, growth is rapid. The brain develops quickly. The embryo becomes much larger and more defined. Week 8 brings the formation of fingers and toes. All major organs now exist, though they still need time to grow. Your baby is about the size of a raspberry. Weeks 9 to 12. The fetus takes shape. In week 9, the embryo becomes a fetus. The small tail-like structure disappears and the baby begins to look more human. During week 10, organs begin functioning. Tiny fingernails and toenails start to appear. By week 11, your baby can open and close their tiny fists. Inside the gums, early tooth buds begin to form. Week 12 is a beautiful milestone. The heartbeat may be heard with a small device called a Doppler. Your baby begins swallowing and making soft movements, though still too small for you to feel. Weeks 13 to 20. The second trimester blooms. Week 13 brings the beginning of vocal cords. The body grows quickly now, catching up with the head. In week 14, your baby begins making gentle facial expressions. Their organs, like the liver and kidneys, are starting to function more independently. Week 15 brings new abilities. Your baby can sense light. Tiny taste buds begin to develop. By week 16, some parents begin to feel the first soft flutters of movement. These gentle sensations are often called quickening. Week 17 brings more fat beneath the skin. The bones begin to harden. Week 18 is a magical time. Your baby can hear your heartbeat and the sound of your voice. Week 19 brings a protective coating called vernix, along with soft, fine hair known as lanugo. At week 20, you reach the halfway point. The anatomy scan usually happens around now. Your baby is about the size of a banana, moving, stretching, and growing stronger each day. Weeks 21 to 28, a time of growing awareness. In week 21, your baby might begin sucking their thumb. Movements become stronger and more fluid. By week 22, eyebrows and eyelids are in place. Your baby responds more to sounds and light. Week 23 brings important lung development. The lungs begin producing surfactant, which will help your baby breathe after birth. At week 24, your baby's brain grows quickly. This marks the earliest stage where survival outside the womb becomes possible, though still rare. Week 25 brings more breathing practice. The nostrils open for the first time. In week 26, your baby opens their eyes. They can respond to your touch on your belly. By week 27 and 28, sleep cycles begin forming. Movements become more organized and strong. Weeks 29 to 40, the final weeks. Week 29 brings better temperature control. Kicks and movements are easier to feel. In week 30, the brain forms new grooves and connections. The eyes can follow light and movement. Week 31 brings more muscle strength. Your baby can turn their head from side to side. Week 32 is when many babies settle into the head-down position. The bones continue to harden, though the skull remains soft for birth. Weeks 33 and 34 bring rapid weight gain. The immune system becomes stronger. Week 35 brings fully developed kidneys and liver. Your baby now fills most of the uterus. By week 36, your baby practices breathing, blinking, and sucking, skills needed for life outside the womb. Weeks 37 through 40 are considered full term. Your baby's lungs are mature. Their brain continues to grow every day. Birth can happen at any time now. Journey through fetal development with Healthy Living Now. We hope this guide helps you feel more connected, more informed, and more supported throughout your pregnancy. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share what topic you'd like to explore next. We look forward to guiding you again soon.